download the Google Cloud SDK, we're going to search Google Cloud SDK on Google, get to the installing Google Cloud SDK and select your operating system. Download the 64-bit version or 32-bit version, depends whatever operating system and computer do you have. And once you have downloaded, you can then follow the 4 steps. Let's do it. Let's open a terminal. We have downloaded the Google Cloud. Let's go to the opti folder. I usually put here anything what I install. So I'm moving from GP, users, manual downloads, found Google Cloud and move it here. Now we have, as you can see, the tar GZ. So let's decompress it. This is command to do both decompression, and we are going to get the folder. So we can remove the tar and have the folder, and we can just do install.sh. It's going to install. You have to say if you want to improve Google or not. For now I will say no. You want to continue, yes. Of course they ask you to add on your bash the completion scripts, which are very good. So let's do it, and we are done. We are done with the first step. Of course we need to do the last step, which is the gcloud init. Let's close this terminal. Let's open new one. So we have the rc file run again, and now we have, as you can see, the completion Google Cloud init. This command is very important because it initializes the old SDK, as you must have to log in, as you can see. By the way, if you do login and it's not working the first time, just give a Google Cloud init again, because sometimes the browser gets stuck. I don't really know why, but it happens to me while installing it. So just wait. This page should change and should say that you are logged in, and here it should go forward. So we just wait. It takes too much. It gave me the error, as I told you. Just close and try again. It will work. Yes, of course, we need to log in. Yes, with my account. Yes, of course, I will allow. And as I told you, the second time it worked fast. Now, we are logged in. We have to choose our project. It's the list of the project. I just going to set the project I will work on. You can set yours. And which zone. I usually work with US Central. So we put yes, and US Central is 7. So 7. And we are done. Okay. We can look at the Google out command. We can do list. And as you can see, everything is set. Then also we can do on the Google Cloud projects list and check that your project are there. Great.